Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for FETCHAI.tv, and today we are bringing you a head-to-head of some kinds. This is a head-to-head of a different kind because we are going to be comparing AI layer 1s to AI agents. And then we are going to look at which of these two models is sustainable. Because at the moment, if you're like me, you're probably feeling dizzy listening to certain YouTube channels and reading on Twitter. AI agents are going to be the killer use case, this like that, but they cannot exist in isolation. They need the foundational infrastructure, which is layer 1s, and there is actually another sort of layer 1. I think it started as an agent itself, but it's now like a layer 1 for other agents, and that project is Virtual's protocol. I think it's a layer 1. That's what I think anyway. So, but if you're like me, you're thinking, okay, where do I go? Which one is the right thing to invest in? Because some of us got other things to do outside of crypto. So if you've got a busy life, you don't have the time to be looking on CoinMarketCap or going to DEX tools or DEX check or whatever it's called to check which projects are launching, or go to Virtual's protocol, which ones are launching, which ones are new, and which ones are real. That's like a casino. That's gambling, because you're basically thinking without getting the full information, which one shall I invest in? Because in a bull market, what usually tends to happen is there's no space for common sense and logic. Most of it is about hype, narrative, and attention. Something a project can 10x, 12x in 24 hours or 100x in 24 hours, and then in 48 hours is dead. That happens in a bull market. So I think that's what we are witnessing at the moment, especially with meme coins as well as some AI agents, because some are just falling flat. They are not hitting the high note. But before I jump into this, guys, please know that what I'm going to share with you in this video is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions, looking at AI layer 1s and AI agents, sharing with you what I think and what I know, and then giving you my viewpoints on what I think we are heading with these two, AI layer 1s and AI agents, giving you some examples as well. But also know that if you're from the UK, guys, this video is not intended for UK audiences, for the sole reason that the UK authorities do deem anything crypto related to be extremely risky, and you should not be investing in anything crypto related. That said, let's bring it back to the subject matter: AI layer 1s versus AI agents. So AI cryptocurrency projects represent an evolving intersection of artificial intelligence, or AI, and blockchain technology. These projects can broadly be categorized into AI layer 1 projects and AI agents, each addressing distinct use cases and offering unique value proposition. AI projects in the blockchain space aim to decentralize and democratize access to AI technologies, making them more secure, transparent, and efficient. And here are some ways in which AI cryptocurrency projects are standing out as of today. You got some that are focusing on decentralized artificial intelligence marketplaces, and these projects looking at facilitating peer-to-peer transactions, enabling users to buy, sell, or share AI services and models without a centralized intermediaries. For example, what Singularity Net originally set out to do, I don't know if they're still doing the same under this new project they came out to do or to create with FETCHAI and Ocean Protocol. I keep forgetting what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll leave the ticker symbol and the logo here on the screen for you to have a look. And the second way projects are trying to stand out is by providing incentivized learning and contributions. Projects like Bittensor use tokenized ecosystems to reward contributors for providing computational resources or improving AI models. The third way projects are using to try and stand out from the crowd is through security and data sovereignty. By leveraging blockchain, AI projects that ensure data integrity, transparency, and secure collaboration, and are also critical for sensitive applications like health or finance, are trying to stand out from the crowd, because the AI field is getting crowded a little bit, or there's too much noise. Maybe we need more project, more layer 1s for AI, but it's just too noisy at the moment. And fourth is the collaborative AI development. Yeah, blockchains enabling decentralized collaborations where multiple stakeholders can contribute to building and enhancing AI systems while being fairly compensated. So maybe this is what led to Ocean Protocol, FETCHAI, and Singularity Net to come together, because they wanted to do collaborative artificial intelligence development. But if you look at what's happening with virtual protocols, it might be driving a bus through this tripartite party was trying to achieve in the first place, because Virtual's protocol is just going boom, it's taken off, and these three are still trying to find, maybe they'll succeed. But if you get 2 or 3 more projects like Virtual's protocol, these 3 are probably dead. And I'm not kidding when I say that. I think their time will be up then. Okay, so let's do a brief comparison then of the AI layer 1s versus AI agents, if you're not sure what the difference is between the two. Let's start with AI layer 1 projects. AI layer 1 projects focus on creating blockchain platforms that specialize in hosting AI services. These platforms provide infrastructure, scalability, and interoperability to support AI-related dApps and smart contracts. So examples include Bittensor, a decentralized network incentivizing the creation and sharing of AI models, allowing participants to stake and train models collaboratively. You also got Near Protocol, a blockchain with high throughput and scalability that hosts AI-driven dApps. You got FETCHAI, now known as part of a collaboration with Ocean Protocol and SingularityNet. It is a decentralized network where autonomous economic agents operate within a blockchain ecosystem. Some key features for AI Layer 1s include the provision of a secure and scalable foundation for AI applications. It also fosters interoperability across AI ecosystems. The AI Layer 1s incentivize participation and resource sharing, for example, computational power, data, and so forth. Another good example will be, what's that project? I actually hold it. Ticker symbol is ATH. It's Aethia. Ticker symbol ATH. Good example as well. Some value propositions from AI Layer 1s. These projects aim to become the operating system for AI in blockchain, enabling a broad range of artificial intelligence applications in industries like healthcare, logistics, and finance. Moving on to AI agents. AI agents focus on creating decentralized autonomous agents, or DAAs, that interact with users, systems, and data sources autonomously to perform tasks or make decisions. Examples here include Virtual Protocol, but it is a platform for AI agents too. That's quite crazy that Virtual Protocols is actually classified as an AI agent. Virtual Protocol is a platform for deploying and managing autonomous AI agents that perform economic activities in virtual environments. You got Paal AI, a project leveraging blockchain to enhance AI agents. You got SingularityNet, a decentralized marketplace for AI services where individual AI agents can interact and collaborate. Some key features for AI agents. One, they use AI to enable decision making and action without human intervention, which is always mostly positive. They can also be deployed as specialized agents for tasks like financial trading, logistics optimization, or customer support. They are also operated within tokenized ecosystems, earning or spending tokens as they perform tasks. Value proposition from AI agents. Well, AI agents aim to replace repetitive and complex tasks with autonomous systems, reducing cost and increasing efficiency across industries. So I think, yeah, it could be a killer use case for blockchain, cryptocurrency and blockchain. What about sustainability for both these models? You got AI Layer 1s and AI agents. Well, let's start with AI Layer 1s first. You got their strengths include the provision of fundamental infrastructure akin to Ethereum's role in DeFi. They also provide scalability and interoperability, which make them versatile for various use cases. Long-term sustainability relies on adoption and ecosystem growth. Some challenges for AI Layer 1s, well, they depend heavily on the success of applications built on top of them. So they barely control their own destiny. They depend on, just like Ethereum, it has to depend on the dApps built on top of it. So if no one is building, we know there are projects that are suffering because not many builders are building on top of them. They suffer the price for not token or coin for that project. They don't move. Also, if competition is fierce in Layer 1 space, requiring clear differentiation. And moving on to AI agents, their strengths, they address specific actionable use cases, making them easier to market. Simple. If you give someone a simple description of what you're trying to do in crypto, you get people investing. If you can't explain it to me in 2 sentences, what you're trying to do, or in 15-20 seconds, then it's probably not worth my time. So AI agents, they are also autonomous and task specific, which then means their focus is aligned well with industry's needs. They are flexible to integrate into broader AI ecosystems, including Layer 1 platforms. Some challenges for AI agents, they are limited by the quality of AI algorithms and data available. They require robust economic models to incentivize agent behavior without exploitation. What are my thoughts, my final conclusion on this? Well, if you're looking for a better long-term bet, I would say AI Layer 1 projects like Bittensor are more foundational and versatile, positioning them as a critical enabler for decentralized artificial ecosystem. But if you're looking for practical and immediate applications and you want price go high or price go up in 24 hours or so, then maybe AI agents like those on Virtual Protocol are better suited for such an immediate impact, as they do address specific problems and demonstrate tangible return on investment, which is, it's almost instant. It's not instant, but it's quicker. You get a quicker or faster ROI or return on investment. So a synergistic approach where AI Layer 1 projects support the deployment and operation of AI agents may be the most sustainable path forward. As an investor though, and as a participant within this space, you should evaluate these projects based on their use cases, their alignment, technical robustness, and market adoption trajectory. I would like to know from you guys, which AI Layer 1s are you invested in or are you interested in? If we're not covered them, we may just cover them on this channel. And if you are into AI agents, let us know which ones you have invested in or you have used. I'll be interested in knowing that as well. But I think some of them are stepping on some legal red lines that may open a Pandora box. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section, guys. Until the next one, this is FD for FETCHAI signing out for now. Bye.